Start recording. Stop recording. Button. Speech off.
Hey guys, this is a review of the Bop It Carabiner 2009. So we got 4 commands. It's the Bop It Shout. I'm gonna do a full-on review of the Bop It Shout later. So we got a Bop It button, a twist it knob, which I believe is yellow, a pull it handle, which is blue, and I don't know what color the shout it is. But if the commands are the exact same color as the Bop It Shout, then I assume the Bop It button is white and the shouted command is green. But I want to see if you guys can tell of anything. Can you hear like here, over here, like anything? I don't know. Let's just play.
Bop it to start. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Shout it.
Hey.
Twist it. Shout it.
Hey.
Twist it. Pull it. Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Shout it.
Hey.
Pull it. Shout it.
Hey.
Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Pull it. Pull it. Shout it.
Hey.
Bop it. Pull it. Bop it. Pull it. Pull it. Wow. 25. You beat Bop it.
You may be thinking,
I'm going to sleep.
this is a Bop It. Why did it let you only go to 25? Well, that's because this Bop It only goes up to 25. It doesn't go any higher. So if you want a full-size Bop It experience, you're going to have to go to the full-size Bop It Shout. It's like a lighter version of the Bop It Shout. It's like you were gonna go to like a light version, a free version, or a paid version. It's like that. So it's like Hasbro wanted to give you a sample of the Bop It Shout.
Bop it to
And
start.
that's what they did with this.
Bop it. Twist
Let's
it.
do it again.
Pull it. Shout it.
Hey,
Shout it.
hey,
Pull it. Bop it. Twist it. Shout it.
hey,
Pull it. Bop it. Twist it. Twist it. Shout it.
hey,
Shout it.
hey,
Bop it. Shout it.
hey,
Bop it. Pull it. Bop it. Pull it. Shout it.
hey.
Pull it. Twist it. Twist it. Wow. 25.
Wow.
You beat Bop it.
Anyways, guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed.
I'm going to sleep.
See you later.